Hey guys, so today we are going to be making your very own hand sanitizer just using one oil. That's all you've got to use is just one oil. And what that oil is going to be, it's going to be On Guard. This recipe right here is so easy to make that anybody can make it. And it literally comes out to cost you about $1.20 a bottle. I mean, you can't buy any kind of hand sanitizer that cheap that's going to be all natural and is going to work just as great. So the only thing that you're going to need is I use a glass bottle, and you can actually get these glass bottles online. I think this one might have cost me like 40 or 50 cents. I buy them in bulk, but it's super cheap. They come with your own little spray top. So the only thing that you've got to do is you've just got to add 10 drops of On Guard. This is a 1 milliliter bottle, by the way. So you just add 10 drops of On Guard in here. And if you want yours to be stronger, you can add a couple more drops. There's no problem to that at all. And then on top of that, I'm just going to add bottled water into here. All right, and you just fill it up to the top. Put your cap on, shake it up, and there you go. You've got your very own hand sanitizer, and it is not going to cost you anything to make this. Once you buy the bottle, you can continuously make this for, like I said, even less than that, since you've already got the bottle. You just need the 10 drops of On Guard oil, and that's all you need. It's that simple, guys. Anybody can do this kind of stuff. Just make sure you keep watching our Facebook because we're going to keep posting videos on how to do this stuff, because I want everybody to be able to make their own stuff and do it cheap. You guys can be making your own stuff at home way cheaper than you're buying it at the stores. So make sure you keep watching. Bye, guys. Have a good day.